Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we bring you some of the best recipes. We'll show you how to make the perfect hot dog today. This is a classic dish that everyone enjoys, and we'll show you how to elevate it with a few simple tips and tricks. Ingredients: buns for hot dogs, ketchup, mustard, enjoy cheese, onions, bacon. Instructions: begin by preheating your grill or stovetop to medium-high heat. Place your hot dogs on the grill or in a skillet. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until browned and fully cooked. While the hot dogs are cooking, prepare the hot dog buns by adding ketchup, mustard, and relish. If you like cheese, add a slice or two to each hot dog right after it's finished cooking. The heat from the hot dog will perfectly melt the cheese. Place a strip or two of bacon on the grill or pan with the hot dogs and cook until crispy. Place the hot dog on top of the cooked bacon. If using caramelized onions, sauté them in a pan with a little oil until soft and golden brown. Place the hot dog on top of the onions. When the hot dogs are finished, stuff them into the buns with all of the toppings. Serve immediately and enjoy your tasty hot dog. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make the perfect hot dog in 5 minutes or less. Take your hot dog game to the next level with these simple tips and tricks. Let us know what your favorite hot dog toppings are in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy recipes.